Pandemic. The Douglas County Health Department is reporting that people are still getting sick and ending up in the hospital and still dying from the virus.
Let's check out the numbers. The 7-day rolling average of new cases is 44. That is the lowest number that has been since about early October. 126 people are in metro hospitals with COVID-19. 3 of them are children. 11 people are in the intensive care unit, and 4 people with COVID are on ventilators.
The county is reporting 1 new death. The victim only identified as a woman over the age of 70. Her current vaccination status is unknown. 1,263 people have now died from the virus in Douglas County.
The health department says vaccines remain our best protection. For clinic locations and times, click on the link at our website, WOWT.com.